You searched how to buy shares of SPINNEYS 1961, Holding PLC, a UAE supermarket and retail group listed on the Dubai financial market under the ticker SPINNEYS.AE. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always research risks before investing. To buy SPINNEYS.AE, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search field and type the ticker SPINNEYS.AE to find SPINNEYS 1961 Holding PLC. Carefully locate and select the correct DFM listing for the stock before proceeding. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for SPINNEYS.AE. Confirm the exchange's DFM and that the company details match SPINNEYS 1961 Holding PLC. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will request you add money before confirming. Your SPINNEYS position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the example platform.